Good evening, friends. So Navratri is coming together now, and it's the time to detox our body. As per Sri Ravi Shankar, we fast not to please the divine, but to cleanse our body. Yes, fasting during the Navratri is also seen as a good way to lose weight and get in a shape. So what you are waiting for? There is a free webinar happening tomorrow on how to achieve 3 to 9 kg of the weight loss, toxin loss, and what you will learn step by step guidance on do's and don'ts for the all 9 coming days. How you can do the health recovery, improve your immune system, and a fantastic abundance energy just by adding one single nature cure secret. Yes, you heard very, very clearly. One secret that will be change your life forever. And then knows the 9 hidden benefits of Navratri fasting. So what you are waiting for? So we are going to meet tomorrow at 6 p.m. on the Zoom. To get the Zoom link, please click on the below WhatsApp group, and I will see you tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Thank you very much. All the best. And don't miss this opportunity of having a beautiful session on the Navratri fasting.